Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're analyzing Ethereum's support and resistance levels, along with the latest Elliott Wave forecast and microstructure updates. Ethereum is currently in a deep pullback phase, but remains within a key support zone between $1,790 and $2,098. This aligns with the expected structure of a fourth wave correction before a potential fifth wave rally to the upside. While there's no confirmation of a reversal yet, the price is holding above the crucial 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at $1,790. If this support breaks, the next key structural level to watch is $1,529. On the smaller time frame, Ethereum recently bounced from a micro support zone within this fourth wave correction. The price reacted well to the 61.8% retracement and found buyers near a key trend line. Currently, we see price action pushing toward a resistance zone between $2,323 and $2,341. For Ethereum to confirm a stronger uptrend, we need to see a break above this resistance, followed by a new higher low and another higher high. A push beyond $2,385 would indicate a potential continuation of the upside move, while failure to hold support could lead to further downside testing. As we monitor price action, keep an eye on the key levels mentioned, especially over the weekend and into next week. If this update was helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more crypto analysis. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.